Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about black body radiation. Black body radiation is was mentioned by the scientist, which was named as Max Planck in the year 1900. So, before we are going into the detailed concept about black body radiation, first of all, we have a clear rule that hot objects emit electromagnetic radiations over a wide range of wavelength. Okay, this is very important. Hot objects emit electromagnetic radiations over a wide range of wavelength in case of high temperature. For example, when we take the iron rod, when iron rod is heated in the furnace, in the normal process, iron rod is converted into dull red. So when we increase the temperature, dull red is converted into more red, and further increase the temperature, more red converted into white color, and if we increase more and more temperature, the white red is converted into the blue color. So different kinds of wavelengths are produced at different temperatures. Okay, this is the best example of the above sentence. Hot object emit electromagnetic radiations over a wide range of wavelengths. Okay, that means the red radiation is more intense at a particular temperature, and blue radiation is more intense at another temperature. This means intensities of radiations of different wavelengths emitted by hot body depending upon its temperature. Okay, for example, when the objects which are made up of different material which is kept at different temperatures emit different amounts of radiations. When any of the object is irradiated with light in the normal process, a part of the light is absorbed, a part of the light is transmitted, and a part of the light is reflected. So that means normal objects are the imperfect absorbers of the light or the electromagnetic radiations. Any material is said to be imperfect absorbers of the radiation. But when we observe the black body, so what is the meaning of the black body first? Here, black body is nothing but the ideal body, which is called as ideal body, which emit and absorb the radiations of all frequencies is called as a black body, and after the absorption of the light or electromagnetic radiation from the black body, there is the formation of the radiation. That kind of the radiation is called as a black body radiation. Okay, this is the definition of black body as well as black body radiation. The ideal body which emit and absorb the radiations of all frequencies is called as a black body, and the radiation emitted by such body is called as a black body radiation. The best example of black body is called as carbon black. So when we observe the structure of the black body, the structure of the black body is looks like a spherical structure, and this black body is having a small cavity or the small hole. Now when we are able to pass the light through the black body, then automatically the light is entering into the black body, and finally the light is undergo number of the reflections by the walls of the body, and after the number of the reflections, the light is completely absorbed by the walls of the black body. Okay, this is called as black body. So when the light is absorbed by the black body, from the black body there is the releasing of the radiation. That kind of the radiation is called as black body radiation. So, but practically there is no existence of the black body. So, theoretically, we have the black body, but it is very difficult to absorb all kinds of wavelengths for the particular substance. So theoretically that is exist, but practically black body does not exist. So the best example is carbon black. Here we have to remind one thing: the black body is in a thermal equilibrium with its surroundings. It can radiate the same amount of energy per unit area and it absorbs the surrounding in any given time. Here, the amount of the light emitted from the black body and its spectral distribution depends upon only its temperature. So, at a given temperature, intensity of the radiation emitted increases with the increasing of wavelength, reaches a maximum level. For example, this is the graph which is showing that there is the graph between the wavelength as well as the intensity. So when we observe the graph, so we can observe that at a given temperature, intensity of the radiation emitted increases with the increasing of wavelength and reaches a maximum value, then starts decreasing with further increasing the wavelength, starts decreasing with further decreasing the wavelength. Okay, this is clearly understood by using the graph here. But the results of the same experiment could not be explained satisfactorily on the basis of wave theory of the light. So in this session, Max Planck arrived at a satisfactory relationship by making the assumption that absorption and emission of radiations arises from oscillators. He gave the name quantum to the smallest quantity of energy that can be emitted or absorbed in the form of electromagnetic radiation. Here, the energy of a particular atom is completely directly proportional to its frequency, and it is expressed by the equation which is called as E equal to h nu. So in this equation, E is called as energy. E is nothing but energy, and h is called as a constant, which is called as Planck's constant. H is the Planck's constant, and here nu is nothing but frequency. You know the value of Planck's constant, that is nothing but 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joules and a second. Okay, this is called as black body and black body radiation. The formula E equal to h nu is very important. So by using this formula, definitely we can predict the black body radiation. So you know very well, black body is nothing but the ideal body which is able to absorb and emit the radiations of all frequencies is called as black body, and that kind of the radiation which is emitted by the black body is called as black body radiation. Already we have discussed about that, and you know one thing that black an ideal body should not exist practically, but theoretically that is exist. Every black body is made up of this spherical shape and which is having the small hole. When the light or electromagnetic radiation is passing through the hole, all the electromagnetic radiation is completely reflected in the number of the times, and finally those kind of the radiation is absorbed by the atoms which are present in the ideal body. So when the radiation is absorbed, so from the black body there is the liberation of the energy, but practically that is completely, it is very difficult. So Max Planck arrived with a formula to explain the graph between the wavelength as well as intensity, and also that those are the temperatures, that is called as E equal to h nu. Here E equal to energy, h is Planck's constant, and nu is the frequency. In the next session we are going to discuss about photoelectric effect. Thank you.